So our mission is really to give our investors access to value. We think there is significant value in UK property in the regions, and we think that particularly private investors and a number of institutional investors find it hard to access that in terms of sourcing deal flow and then converting that deal flow into returns.
We specialise in a mixture of development, asset management, and all about enhancing the value of real estate in order to deliver strong returns to our investors.
So our investors range from the very large ones like British Airways Pension Fund, who've been with us throughout the duration of Barwood Capital and are in our 3 most recent growth funds, right down to smaller investors, a whole range of private individuals, high net worth individuals, who might have put somewhere between £500,000 and £3 million with us. So we've done quite a lot of research actually with our investors about what it is they like about Barwood Capital so that we can go on doing those things and make sure we attract more investors.
They very much like the fact that it's a full hands-on approach from the team, and they like, through the personal service that we offer, 1 minute they can be talking to me as managing director or Joe as one of the founders, through to one of the guys on the ground in the transactions team or the asset management team, and even to our back office guys who are running all the accounts and administration. So I think getting that whole variety and being able to pick up the phone to anyone in the business, again, that personal touch is something our investors very much like.
So we have some very clear corporate values that were developed internally from the bottom up. Those values are adventurous, committed and respectful, and they are intrinsic to everything we do and the behaviour of how we act, not just internally but with all our third-party consultants, agents and investors. I think we're solving the problem of diversification for a lot of our investors. So they might have a lot of traditional investments in normal asset classes like equities or debt. Property provides them with diversification, but quite often people invest in property through listed companies which actually have a correlation to the stock market. So this provides them what I would call as proper diversification. Is one solution we're providing, and the other one, it's about giving them access to a pipeline and access to value in regional UK property. A lot of people focus their property investment in London because it's a more liquid market, so they can see transactions and understand values more readily, but it's also a much more competitive market, so you don't get the value there.
We are feeling very positive about the future of Barwood Capital and where we see it heading over the next 5 years.